Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to no-clip in CS2 or to use Ghost Mode in Counter-Strike 2. Okay, first things first, access the console. Next is to enable no-clip. To enable no-clip, just type in no-clip in the console. On the other hand, to disable no-clip, just type in no-clip again in the console. Next is to bind to a key. To bind no-clip to a specific key, just use the bind command. For example, bind 7 no-clip. And lastly, toggle no-clip. Just press the assigned key to quickly toggle between enabling and disabling no-clip. And as simple as it is, you now have learned how to no-clip in CS2. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now no-clip in CS2 or use Ghost Mode in Counter-Strike 2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.